Hello friends, I am Abhishek और आप देख रहे हो एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन गुरुजी. Today I will not discuss any topic in this video. I want to express my gratitude and love to you all. Yesterday we have crossed 100 subscribers and it is very special day for me. I know it is very small, but first 100 subscribers is always special. I am really thankful to you and God whatever I have today. I am trying to improve my video quality, content and topics continuously to provide you the best. I am always open. Please mention your suggestions in comment box to grow this channel more. Also, my request to you to please mention all the topics and chapters that you want me to discuss in next videos. Last of all, I want to thank you all to watching this video and I'm requesting you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos who have not subscribed yet. Last and not the least, please share this video as much as possible. Thanks to you all.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your valuable feedback.